I'd seen a couple videos with people taking their DJI Mini 2s out in the snow, so I thought I'd give it a try. Other than a little bit of drifting, which you'll see here, is it just kind of can't hold its position like as well as it normally would. Uh, I'm going to chalk that up to being a little bit of wind, plus I think it has a problem with holding position over the snow, same as kind of you might have experienced with holding position over water. Otherwise, it does pretty good. I had no complaints. The shot came out really smooth. The wind didn't seem to bother it. Snow definitely didn't seem to bother it. There was a little bit of snow built up on top of the drone when I ended up landing. No other problems.